Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given an equation and what we have to do is we have to find the value of the variable a. Now the correct procedure in order to solve this type of question is at first we have to completely solve, or rather we can say simplify, the left hand side, and then we have to compare the terms which is present in the left hand side to the terms present on the right hand side. So solving left hand side, we have 9x square 9x square plus 8x plus 7 multiplied by 5x minus 6. Now we are going to multiply each terms present within the first pair of brackets with each of the terms present within the second pair of brackets. So it will be 9x square multiplied by 5x minus 6 plus 8x multiplied by 5x minus 6 plus 7 multiplied by 5x minus 6, right? So 9x square multiplied by 5x will give us 45x cube. Then we have 9x square multiplied by minus of 6, which is minus of 54x square. Then 8x multiplied by 5x, which is 40x square. So write it beneath minus 54x square so that the calculation becomes a bit simple. Now 8x multiplied by minus of 6 will give us minus of 48x, and 7 multiplied by 5x is 35x, and finally we have 7 multiplied by minus of 6, which is minus of 42. So upon simplification we will have 45x cube. Minus of 54x square plus 40x square will give us minus of 14x square. 35x minus of 48x will give us minus of 13x, and then we have minus of 42. Now let's write it over here. Therefore, comparing LHS with RHS, we get the value of A equals minus of 13. So this will be our final required answer, because see, in our RHS we have 45x cube, so 45x cube and 45x cube will cancel out each other. Then we have minus of 14x square, so again minus of 14x square is present on both sides, so it will cancel out each other. And then we have ax, and ax will be equals minus of 13x. Then only both these expressions will be exactly same. So when ax equals minus of 13x, then x and x will cancel out each other and we will get the value of a as minus of 13. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.